I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block a channel from being shown in your YouTube recommended feed using the YouTube mobile app. Step 1. Open the YouTube mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Find a video in your YouTube recommended feed from a creator you want to block from appearing in your feed going forward. Step 2. Tap the ellipses associated with that video to open a menu. Step 3. Tap Don't Recommend Channel. Do not tap Not Interested, as that will only hide that specific video. You have to tap Don't Recommend Channel. You'll see a note that YouTube will no longer recommend videos from that channel to you going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.